I did everything myself in here. That is not how you do the business. And that right there is a house that I have already flipped as well. And I already know that I can flip this house to a buyer on my buyers list because I got a strong buyers list in this area. Hey, what's up guys? John Cochran here, and today is Systems Saturday, the day that I bring you a system that I use in my business that you can rip off, duplicate, use in your own local market. Now, on today's Systems Saturday, we're going to talk about motivated sellers, and I'm going to catch a little bit of heat for this one, and a lot of people are not going to agree with me, but hopefully at the end, I'm really going to prove my point so that you guys can really just open up your eyes, because we're in a market right now, okay? And in the market that we're in right now, inventory is short, everywhere in the entire country. It's not like homes are really sitting onto the market very long, and especially, coming up to this part of the year is when they really start to move. Now, there's real estate teaching of theory, and then there's what actually works, and you kind of got to use your BS meter, from what others will teach you, and I'm just the one that gives you the stuff that actually works. I don't do this. I don't do theory. I only teach you what works in today's real estate market. I give you what actually works, okay? So, when I was early on into my real estate investing business, something that sounds very, very sexy is you could go out and you got to source properties, especially now because we're into a market that's having a lack of inventory. So a sexy way that everybody teaches you, and I see a lot of our students really trying to do, but they're very unsuccessful at it, is sourcing deals from wholesalers or bird dogs. Okay, so here's the process. Is that it sounds really cool that it would be really easy to where I could just say, okay, so if I just set up a bunch of different people in all these cities and all they did was talk and flap their gums and whatnot, and I could just have them source the deals for me, I could pay them a small fee, great, because I'll pay them a small fee all day because I don't have to go out and source the lead. And that sounds very, very sexy. Or from buying from a wholesaler to where they're going out there and all they do, guys, is put out all of this different type of marketing. They bring in a ton of motivated sellers and they're just sourcing all these properties to you, and they just take the small fee. Let me ask you a question. People come to me all the time for this, and let me ask you a question. I have two hands right here, and there's money in both of these hands. Okay, imagine this. In this hand right here, I have $30,000 in cash. In this hand right here, I have $1,000 in cash. Which one do you want? Do you want the $1,000 in cash or do you want the 30? Clearly, you're going to want the $30,000. It doesn't take a genius to figure out which hand you want. You want the big money. And that's exactly what I have found out with wholesalers and bird dogs, is that they will take that all day. So the thing of it is, and this is where I'm going to catch a lot of heat, if wholesalers are really giving you those good sweetheart deals, why didn't they take them themselves? Why did they pick this hand? Oh, because they're going to work off of volume in a low inventory market? Or are they going to want the big money? So guys, you really need to start looking at this as, hey, it's not that good of an idea. It doesn't work. All the deals that are going to come across your office or your plate or whatever you want to call it from hedge funds and all these different big sources, these people that are buying these big package of notes, then they're just one-off in these things and they're giving them to you. Guys, what we have found out is that all of those are junk. And none of them leave anything, even in the middle. They don't even leave us anything right in the middle. There are no deals out there. So I'm going to strongly advise you, in this market that we're in right now of low inventory, you never should buy a property off of a wholesaler, and you should never buy properties or even have a bird dog go out there and source properties for you, because there's never enough skin in the game. If there's enough skin in the game, trust me, they're going to take it. So guys, that was a huge tip for you. Do not buy from wholesalers because they're going to take the big checks. They should. And then don't buy from bird dogs either, or don't even get bird dogs to go out there and source properties for you, because they're obviously going to want this one, not that one. So guys, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next Systems Saturday.